I think I should put highlighter over here because on this camera it looks like I'm so freaking flawless. Like, wait, let me just put highlighter.
Found it.
Oh yes. Hi guys, what's up? Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to do this video. This is about my room tour, as you guys can read by the title down there. And yeah, it's been quite a while since I've been not posting videos on my YouTube channel. And it's kind of frustrating because every time I feel like, okay, I want to post, but in the end I didn't post anything because I'm too lazy to post it. But tonight it's almost like 11 p.m. Tiba-tiba rajin nak buat this video. I put some makeup just for the sake in this video, and it looks nice though. Like, it looks freaking flawless in this video. Okay, without further ado, I would like to show you my room tour. And if you guys can see, all the perabot in this video, in this room tour, is mostly from IKEA or IKEA, whatever you call it. So yep, let's just jump straight to the video. Once you enter my room, this is what you kind of look like, the room basically overall. So we start with here first. These are my table. It's kind of small because this space is so small, so I need, like, this is from my previous room, so I bought it in my new room. So the chair also, and I have a mirror there so I can do my makeups. And beside here, down here, I have all of my makeups. If you guys know, I have a lot of makeups. So but it's quite interesting because I only have 3 drawers, because the last time in my previous room I have drawers are full of my makeup, so I'm quite impressed with that. And then I have my planner, I have my makeup brushes. Oh, that is my water bottle. And then I like gummy bears. If you like gummy bears, please give a thumbs up so that I knew tong sang pakas too. So beside here, I have, like, this is like a fake plant, by the way. And so my theme in this room is all black and white. Like, I'm getting inspired by most of the people, the Western people, by the, you know, the US people. So they decorate their room mostly white or black or gray. So something like it is aesthetically pleasing for them. So that's why I do it for me, for mine too, my room too. Nak nampakkan lagi cantik, like, I need to have like a pop of green, like, to show how nature I am. So I put a fake plant, even though it is not a real plant, but I can just, you know, complement each other because I have green over there. Behind the fake plant, I have like all of my candles. I have all of my extra candles and my Polaroids here. That is my Polaroids, like, this is the film. And then yep, that's it. It's just like another top up of my candle if it gets dah habis. I have this BS mirror, which on top of it has this very terang, lampu yang sangat terang. This lamp, like this 5 menthols, covers all of this room basically, because I don't have to light up the lampu ceiling. So it's very nice. We have this white fluffy carpet, which is so comfy. Is all of my pictures. That is my parents, my graduating pictures from MRSM. This is my sekolah rendah. And then I have all of my skincare, these items that I took after I took shower. So yep, I have all of my skincare, my bedak, shower cream, moisturizer, makeup remover, sunscreen, my minyak wangi over there. Beside here, we have tissue because it's a must. And then all of my jewelry, which is so sikit, but never mind. Down here, we have my like notebooks, novels, kamus, my Al-Quran, Sharpie. Then down here are all of my heels because I like heels, even though I rarely use them, but I like to collect them. I have this whole row of my shoes, like my sneakers, my sandals, my slip-ons. This is like my decorating sections. I like to call it that because I put all of my like colorful thing, and then my candles over here, which I don't light up, which I must light up later. My picture, that is Rafil. Here is all of my duck towel. Tak banyak pun, sikit je. That is my luggage. Then comes the fun part, which is the closet. The closet. There, because everyone keep asking me where did I bought my closet and everything and stuff like that. So I will tell you guys. So about this big ass wardrobe, I bought it from IKEA. The thing is, people keep asking me, almari ni tak ada pintu ke and stuff like that. Ada actually, but I refuse to not put the pintu because I like to, macam mana I jenis yang suka tengok baju. I tak suka baju tu tertutup, supaya like color coordinate and stuff like that, which is very aesthetically pleasing me because I tak tahu lah, macam I suka. Basically, these are all of my tops, my blouses, everything you can see. And all of these are all of my baju kurung, my jubah, my dress, everything and stuff like that. And beside here are all of my tudungs, shawls, duck shawls and stuff. And then down here I have all of my 6 drawers. These are also from IKEA. These are my baju duduk rumah, seluar duduk rumah. The t-shirt or tops, seluar jalan, jeans and palazzo, seluar putih and everything. And down here is all of my sweaters, my outerwear. These are all of my seluar jalan juga, but seluar I color coordinated, hitam, and all of my skirts. So that concludes the baju. And if you guys still remember on my previous room, these that I mentioned, these drawers are full of my makeups. It become 3 drawers. I am so impressed with myself. So first drawer is, ta-da, all of my socks, because I really cannot live without socks. And these are all whites, kelabu, yellow, orange and everything. Ni sebetulnya dekat sini. Ni colorful. I have more, but dekat rumah, dekat Sabah. Second row and third row are almost my innerwear. And then the fourth row is my like cleansing stuff. My ketik kuku, my packs, korek telinga, tissue. Like this is just like refills if in case dah habis. And my white tissues, my nail remover, mask, Febreze and Bombshell. No, this is Bath and Body Works punya fragrance. Then the last row is all of my cases, my dompets, pencil box. This I got free. Kalau jenis beli dekat Sephora, I tak suka buang kotak dia. I suka simpan. So I keep it in this drawer, my casings. If you guys want my iPhone X case, please let me know because I memang tak nak pakai, I nak jual. And these are all of my Pandora collections, this watch collections, Sephora collections and everything. Belakang ni is all, mostly are all my travel packs. And then you guys might be wondering why the toys are here, because I like to keep them. A box full of MACD toys, but kotak tu dekat Sabah. So basically, these are all of my closet, wardrobe, whatever you call it. Moving to beside of my wardrobe, we have my bag collection. My backpacks, my tote bags, my handbags, my sling bags, everything. And another handbags. here we have my candles and another fake plant candle. Oh my god guys, bau dia sedap gila nak mampus. We need a large bed to cover up this whole room tour. And then you guys might wondering, kenapa lah Jiha ni seorang je, kecil pula tu, bilik besar, katil pun besar. Well, you know what? I also don't know. My mom said that I need to pindah bilik to this room. Second part, I got the biggest katil, which I am so confused. Like my mom said, if my kalau my tok nak datang sini nak tidur, she can always just sleep in my room because you know I'm not always in my room. So that is the reason. And that, guys, concludes my room tour. If you guys have any questions regarding on my room tour, kat mana nak beli, apa nama dia and everything stuff like that, just comment down below and let me know, and I will, inshallah, I will help you guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Sorry if this camera is a bit shaky because I'm not used to pegang camera, so forgive me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I will do a giveaway soon, which I don't know when, but I will do a giveaway, so please subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to share. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, so I would like to do a giveaway especially for all of my subscribers, and all I have to do is first, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. Second, like my latest post, my latest video, which is my room tour, and already entered my giveaway. So the present that I would like to give you is first a rattan bag, second is a tote bag for easy you to bring to class, and the third is a mini backpack in yellow color from Cotton On. That's it, guys.